Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy juicy meatloaf. Alright guys, so this is what we need. Some stuffing mix. I just happen to have turkey, but any flavor would do. 3 eggs. I have about half a cup of milk and about 2.5 pounds of ground beef. Okay, so this is what I do. I add the eggs and the milk, and we mix it. Once it's well incorporated, we dump in the stuffing mix, and we just let it sit and let it soak up all the wet ingredients. So I did switch to a spatula, so you just kind of mash it together. Let it sit for about maybe 5-10 minutes. I'm actually not liking how dry it looks, so I did add another half cup of milk. Just keep mashing it. Ideally, what you want is this to be kind of mushy, but not too mushy. You just kind of want to rehydrate the stuffing, which is ideally cornbread. There we go. Now we let it sit. This is optional, but I do like putting saran wrap around it, you know, just so it doesn't dry up from the top. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. Oops. See how it's moist but still intact? All right, we're ready for the next step. We grab the meat, throw it in there. Okay, and you just massage it and get it all in there. We're almost there. As you're massaging, you're kind of like squeezing it. I prefer this method better than in the mixer. I feel like the mixer doesn't really like combine it all together. And this is why I use a glove. Okay, this is what it's looking like. So I did line up my cookie sheet with these little parchment pre-cut sheets. It makes the job easier. And we're here, free-forming the loaf. Preheating the oven at 350. Just waiting for that to be done, and we're gonna pop this bad boy in there. Okay. It's been 30 minutes. Now we're gonna put ketchup. This is totally optional. Once again, this is how my kids love it. And it looks like this. Back to the oven. All right, another 30 minutes have passed, and we repeat the process. By this time, everybody got home, but you take it out after another 30 minutes, and it looks like this. Make sure to let it rest for at least 5 minutes before cutting and serving. So I did eat mine with the Caesar salad and some mashed sweet potatoes that I just added some butter, salt, and some pepper. Hope you guys enjoyed this easy peasy lemon squeezy meatloaf. Thank you guys so much for watching. Here's a picture for you guys to screenshot. See you next time, guys. Bye.